So I'm doing the third and second strings with these first and second fingers and going to that thumb for the bass note, alternating 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. So it's 2 measures of that. And then the verse starts, we do another measure of that. Now we're gonna go to G minor, which is the 3s on those 2 strings, third and second string, going to that 5. Twice, kind of slide this note down to the 3. We're gonna hit the same shape for a F minor chord down here. So we got G minor, kind of slide on the way down there to the F minor. Now we're gonna go first finger on this B flat. This is 3 and 3s. And the reason for that finger is because we gotta go right back to the G minor with that 5 on top. So it's B flat, G minor, slide again, F minor, B flat again, and then we're back to C minor and G minor, slide again to F minor, B flat, G minor, C minor, slide down, F minor, B flat. Okay, that gets us to the pre-chorus. So let's look at all that again. We got our intro is gonna be 3 times of the C minor, 2 times for the intro, 1 time gets the verse started. So we got 3 and 4 and. Verse, we're gonna do that again. 2, 3, and G minor coming up. F minor, B flat, G minor, down to F minor, B flat, C minor, G minor, down F minor again, B flat, G minor, C minor, down to F minor, B flat. Okay, and this has a tab with it, so it's really helpful to follow along with that tab. Now we're going to get into the pre-chorus. The pre-chorus is going to be the C minor going straight to G minor. F minor, B flat. Okay, now we have a new thing. We're going all the way to the 8th fret. This is an E flat. So this is part of a new thing that's happening in the pre-chorus here. So we have E flat with the 8s. And then we have B flat. This is going to be 7 and 6 with the 8. Kind of like your F shape, but we don't need to get the bottom string. Now we're gonna hit the 5s up here, the top 3 5s for a C chord. We're gonna let that hold the whole measure. Okay, so the pre-chorus again was C minor to G minor, down to F minor, B flat. Now we're going, you could use the ring finger on these 8s up here and go. Kind of makes that, getting to that a little easier. 5s here. C could also be this 10, 9, 8, 8. Or you could go 5s with an 8 on the bottom for C. Okay, now we're going to go to the F minor chord. 10, 10, 9, 8. This is the chorus. We're going to have a rhythm that goes 1, E, and. So it's like 1, E, and, E, and. So you don't hit on the 2, you hit on the 1, the of the 1, like 1, E, and, that last 16th note. You wait for the second 16th note of the second beat to go E, and that's going to be your rhythm. That's going to be the first 2 beats in the measure. So each one of these chords is only half of a measure. So you got to do 2 chords in a row to make a full measure. So we got 1, E, and. Then we're going to B flat minor, 8 with 6s. 3, E, and. So we got. We're going to go E flat. Those top 8s to C. Now we're going to do a different type of a B flat minor. We're going to do 6, 6, 9, 6. Has a little different ring to it. And then C. That could be 10, 9, 8, 8, or the 5s over here. So from the chorus, we got F minor, B flat minor, E flat, C, B flat minor 7, C, F minor, and then we're going to have 2 hits. So we have the B flat minor 7 to the C, and you could do the C either place, 10, 9, 8, 8, or 5s. So once again on the chorus, we got F minor, B flat minor, E flat, C, B flat minor 7, C, F minor, and then B flat minor 7 to C. One hit each. Okay, let me keep going with that. Now this time we're going to go 6s to 8s. So that's D flat to E flat. And then we're back in a verse. C minor, and then G minor, F minor, B flat, G minor, F minor, B flat. Okay, now we have pre-chorus number 2. This has a rhythm of 1, 2, 3, and then you got a up, down, up again, and that will be a full measure. So you got down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then we get to the next set of chords, F minor to the B flat there. So once again, we got C minor to G minor and F minor to B flat. Now we're going to 8s for the E flat. We have a B flat there, 8, 7, 6, 6, and then we hit a C. And the C is going to go bum, 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 bum. So these are like 4 dotted notes. So each one is longer than an actual beat. Like, and there's 4 of those in a row. The last 2 are quicker. So it's like. Okay, and then we are in the chorus. Now this is going to be 1, E, and. We're going to start F minor to B flat minor. So F minor to B flat minor. You can do that B flat minor over here if you want. You can do the F minor over here if you want. So we'll do it up top here. We got 3 and 4 and E flat, C, B flat minor 7, C, F minor, and those hits. That's the B flat minor 7 to C. Carrying on, we got F minor to a B flat minor, E flat C, B flat minor 7, C. Now this time we have a little riff. 3, 1, 1, 1. So 3, 1 on the big one, then 1 on the second string, 1 on the third string. Okay, so that last chorus was F minor to B flat minor, 3 and 4 and E flat to C, B flat minor 7, C, F minor, and those hits on the B flat to the C. Same stuff. We got 3, 1, 1, 1. So strum, strum, bum, bum, ba-dum. So down, 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 up, down. Same thing here on the 4s. Now we're gonna hit a 5, 6, and 4 3 times. Bang, bang, bang. Now we're gonna go 6s, da-dum, dum, dee-dum. So that's the 6s here. That's a D flat. We're going to A flat right here. D flat to A flat. We got da-dum, dum, dee-dum. That's 6, 5, 4, 4. So the bridge once again is. Bum, bum, bum. That's 5, 6, 4. One more time. Try to mute the bottom one. Then you got da-dum, dum, dee-dum. And then we're into the solo. We got C minor to G minor. F minor, B flat. Do that 3 times. Now we're going G minor, C minor, hold the F minor. Okay, then we have a new verse. We got C minor to G minor, F minor, B flat. Now we have a chord 3, 3, 1, 1. It's gonna go. So it's like 1 E and a 2 E and a, then go to B flat, the threes, 3E and 4E, and then we repeat the chorus. Okay, then that part repeats, and it just keeps on repeating, and you would end on an F minor. So once again, it's... and on F minor. All right, so let me run you through the solo real quick here. So we got... Okay, so we have starting on the 10, we got... So 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 7, 8, 5, 6. That's your first riff there. And it comes right after the first beat. So it's like 1. And then 10, 8, 8, 10, 8. So you could slide into that 10, 10, 8, slide into this little 8. 8, 10, 8, and then same kind of beginning. Now here you could rake the 10, 8, 8, kind of going for 8, 9, 8, 9, 11. Then we have a quick pull off 9, 8 to 10. So it's... And they're going to have a rake on these 8s. You could use the 10 as well. You can go... So we rake up to the 8, we hit a 10, 11. Hammer on pull off there, and then we have a 8, 10, 11, 8, 8, 11. So that's... Okay, so far we got... Then the rake. Now we got 10, 8, 8, 10, and then like a triplet, 8, 9, 11, 9, and then 11, 9 to 8. So that last part is... Now the last part is... So these first two notes are quicker, 5, 7 to 8, 6, 8, 8, 6, 8, 9, 6 on the little one, and then 8, 6, 9, and a triplet. Hammer on, pull off here. So this last phrase was... 8, 9, 8 at the end. So once again, the solo is 1. All right, Don't Speak by No Doubt. One of my favorite tunes of theirs. What a great band. Gwen Stefani, so awesome. I got to actually talk to her one time in the airport. So anyway, hope you all enjoyed that. Got tabs, 2 pages of tabs for this. And let me know what requests you have. And thanks a lot for watching. We'll talk to y'all soon.